Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to add global suffix or prefix on all products using plugin in WooCommerce WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in shop page. Now go to dashboard, scroll down on left side you see plugin, so click on add new. So we are going to install plugin. Then in search plugin, write WooCommerce product price custom tags before and after tax and discount plugin. So this plugin we are using. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation on left side you see WooCommerce, and then you see product price custom tags and discount. So click on it. So we are going to add global suffix and prefix for all product. So we are in custom tax and discount and scroll down. So we enable plugin. Now you see use custom tax and discount, and then select all pages, and then you see product categories. So we select all. Now you see global add prefix or add suffix. So we are going to add prefix and suffix globally. So you can add according to requirement. So we added custom tax prefix and custom tax suffix, and then click on save changes. Now setting has been saved. Go to shop page and refresh the page. Now in product price you see prefix and suffix. Now open any product. Now in single product page you also see prefix and suffix with WooCommerce price. So by using this plugin we are going to add prefix suffix globally. If you want to add individually, now click on edit product. So now we are in edit product and scroll down. We are in product data, and then you see price tax and discount. So click on it, and then you see use custom tax and discount for this product. So enable this option, and then you see use custom prefix. Also you see use custom suffix. So if you want you can add prefix and suffix for this product individually by using this plugin. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.